How a service partner can create a customer account in Falcon Mega Track. Go to falconmegatrack.com website, log into your service partner account, and click on Login. Click on Create User Account. Enter the data in all text fields, it is mandatory. Use customer company name as a login ID. Check all the entered details and click on the Next button to proceed to billing details. Enter the data in all text fields to complete the billing profile. It is mandatory. After entering all the data, click on the Next button to add the contact details. Enter the data in all fields, it is mandatory. It is highly recommended to check this box so this billing contact will get all billing notifications about low FMT units, SAT-V mail license expiry, FMT unit summary, etc. Click on the Next button to add the airtime units. In the Sell Airtime step, enter the required number of units to sell to the customer account. If you want to skip this step for now, you can by clicking on the Skip button. Here we are selling 2,000 units to this customer account. Click on the Next button. Click on the Confirm button to confirm the transaction. Sell units transaction completed successfully. Click on the Next button to proceed to the next step. Enter the data in all text fields to register an asset. If you want to skip this step for now, you can by clicking on the Skip button. Here we are registering an asset under the selected customer. Check all entered details and click on the Finish button. Customer account creation has been completed. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.